In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an account on Etoro, which should take you about 5 minutes from start to finish. Etoro is a versatile platform allowing you to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs all in one place, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned investors. Let's dive into the steps to get you all set up. First, what you need to do is head over to the Etoro website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering Etoro into the search bar. Look for the page titled Invest with Etoro TM. Stocks, crypto, and ETFs in one powerful app, and click on it. This will take you directly to Etoro's main landing page, where you can find all the comprehensive tools they offer for your investing needs. Once you're on the Etoro homepage, your next task is to locate and click on the Join Etoro option. Usually, this is prominently displayed on the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will guide you to the registration page where you can start creating your new account. Now, setting up your account involves entering some essential details. You'll be asked to fill in your personal information such as your username, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong password that you haven't used before, as this will help in keeping your account secure. Take a moment to double-check that all the information you've entered is accurate, as this will avoid any future hiccups or verification issues. After you've carefully filled out your details, the next step is to click on the Create Account button. This seals the deal, so to speak, and officially starts the process for opening your account. This button is typically easy to find directly below the fields where you've entered your information. You might be asked to verify your email address shortly after. Keep an eye on your inbox for an email from Etoro. This verification step is crucial not only for confirming your identity, but also for ensuring the security of your account. Simply follow the instructions in the email to complete the verification process. Once verified, you're all set to explore the Etoro platform. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Maybe even embark on virtual trading to get the hang of things without immediate financial risk. Etoro offers a demo account where you can practice your strategies with virtual money, which is a great way to start if you're new to investing. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully set up your Etoro account. Now, you're ready to start exploring a world of investment opportunities right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.